In this video, I'll show you how to add a bot to your Discord server. Many users don't know how to add bots, or they get confused during the setup process. I'll show you the easiest way to do it. Let's get started. Open Discord. Open the server where you want to add a bot. Click the server name. Select App Directory. Search for the bot you want to add. For example, search for Jockey Music for music, Carl Bot for moderation, or NE6 for automation and leveling. Open the bot you want to add. Scroll down to learn more about the bot. Click Add App. Review the permissions the bot is requesting. Click Continue. Click Authorize. Complete the security verification if prompted. Click Back to Server. The bot has now been added to your server. Open any text channel. Most Discord bots use / commands. Type / to see the available commands. Some bots use a different command prefix instead. For example, Jockey Music uses commands that start with M. Type M, help, to see all available commands. You can then use commands like M, play to play music, or M, skip to skip the current song. If you're unsure which commands a bot uses, check the bot's help command or documentation. That's it. You now know how to add a bot to your Discord server and start using it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Guidify for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.